5 ingredient no bake cheesecake recipe. This is the epitome of convenience and decadence combined. To make the cheesecake, we will start off with this cheesecake crust. Simply combine biscuit crumbs, icing sugar and melted butter until the mixture resembles a wet sand-like texture that holds its shape when pressed between your palms. Today we are opting for mini cheesecakes, ensuring each one sets perfectly even without baking. So line your muffin tins with cupcake liners and evenly distribute the prepared crumb mixture, about 2 tablespoons in each, pressing it down with the bottom of a spoon. We will chill this in the refrigerator till we prepare the cheesecake batter, for which beat together the cream cheese and sugar. The most important point here is to note that the cream cheese is softened and at room temperature, or else it will form lumps in the batter. Set this to a side and in a separate bowl beat the cream until stiff peaks form. At this stage, you can add any flavoring of your choice like vanilla or lemon for instance, but since we are sticking to a 5 ingredient recipe today, I am skipping all of it. And that your cream is whipped to stiff peaks, simply fold it into the cream cheese mixture in 2 batches, taking care not to deflate the air that you just whipped into the cream. As I was saying, if you look carefully, you can spot some lumps of cream cheese, and that is why I was stressing to use room temperature cream cheese. But to rectify it, I will quickly beat my mixture. This is a bit of a risky task because overmixing the cream will curdle it, and to avoid it, yes, you guessed it right, use room temperature softened cream cheese. Then pipe this on top of the biscuit base, chill for an hour, after which we will take it out and cover with a cling wrap and chill it for 4 hours or preferably overnight. Now this cheesecake tastes great on its own, but since it's Valentine's, let's jazz it up with some Nutella and Ferrero Rocher on top. Serve cold and indulge in this melt in your mouth treat that's sure to leave your loved ones craving for more. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.
Adipoli.